Hey everyone, welcome back to InfuseSmart. Today we're diving into a topic that has become incredibly relevant in today's digital world: how to become a self-taught programmer. If you've ever wanted to break into the world of tech but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step roadmap to help you learn programming on your own. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your first programming language. The first step in your journey to becoming a self-taught programmer is deciding which programming language to learn. I know there are so many options, but don't worry. Think about what you want to achieve. If you're into web development, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to work with data, Python is your best bet. Interested in mobile apps? Try Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Here's a tip: start with a beginner-friendly language. Python is often recommended because it's easy to read and versatile. Once you get comfortable with one language, learning others becomes much easier. Step 2. Utilize free online resources. You don't need to enroll in expensive courses or boot camps. There are tons of free resources available online. Websites like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy offer free tutorials that guide you through the basics. For video lovers, YouTube has countless channels that offer high-quality programming tutorials. To make the most of these resources, don't just passively watch tutorials. Code along. That's the best way to solidify your learning. Step 3. Practice by building projects. Now that you have some basic knowledge, it's time to apply what you've learned by building your own projects. Start small. Create a personal website, a simple calculator, or even a to-do list app. These projects give you hands-on experience and help you build a portfolio that can showcase your skills to potential employers. The key is to start small and gradually take on more complex projects. It's perfectly fine if your first few projects are simple. What matters is that you're writing code and learning from it. Step 4. Join a community. Learning to code on your own doesn't mean you have to go through it alone. Join online communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or Discord groups for programmers. Engaging with the community can help you stay motivated, get your questions answered, and even make new friends who share the same interests. One of the best things about programming is that the community is incredibly welcoming and supportive. If you hit a roadblock, someone has probably already been there and can help you out. Step 5. Use version control like Git and GitHub. As you start building projects, it's important to learn version control. This might sound advanced, but tools like Git and GitHub allow you to track changes in your code and collaborate with others. Plus, having a GitHub profile is a great way to showcase your work to employers. Start by learning the basics of Git: how to commit changes, push your code to a repository, and collaborate with others on open source projects. Trust me, employers love to see active GitHub profiles. Step 6. Consistency is key. Here's one of the most important things to remember. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Even if you can only dedicate 30 minutes a day to learning, that's enough if you stay consistent over time. Remember, programming is a skill, and like any skill, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Avoid the common mistake of trying to learn everything at once. Focus on one language, one project, and one skill at a time. Step 7. Understand problem solving and algorithms. Once you've got the basics down and built a few projects, it's time to dive into problem solving and algorithms. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Code Wars offer coding challenges that can help sharpen your problem-solving skills. These are essential for technical interviews and improving your overall programming logic. The challenges might be tough at first, but they will improve your coding skills significantly. Step 8. Keep learning and stay updated. Technology is constantly evolving, so as a programmer, you need to keep learning. Subscribe to programming newsletters, follow tech blogs, and stay updated with new languages, frameworks, and tools. Being a self-taught programmer doesn't stop once you've learned your first language. You'll always be learning new things throughout your career. And that's the roadmap to becoming a self-taught programmer. It might feel overwhelming at first, but remember, take it one step at a time, stay consistent, and keep building. Soon enough, you'll see significant progress. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to InfuseSmart for more tech and self-improvement content. Drop your questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.